It's funny, we all want better mornings, but the real problem starts at night. Most people don't have a morning problem, they have a night problem. So here are 5 night habits that quietly reshape your entire life. Habit 1. The 1-minute reset. Spend 60 seconds cleaning the space around you. Waking up to order instead of chaos changes everything. Habit 2. The no decision hour. 1 hour before bed, stop making decisions. Routine creates calm. Calm creates sleep. Habit 3. The thought dump. Write down everything on your mind without overthinking it. Your brain relaxes when it doesn't have to hold everything. Habit 4. The offline zone. Spend the last 30 minutes before bed without your phone. When you disconnect from the world, you reconnect with yourself. Habit 5. The tomorrow starter pack. Set out your clothes, your tools, and one goal for tomorrow. Start small. Take just 1 minute to reset your space. Ending. Transformation. When your mind is calm and your environment is quiet. And this is the reward. Waking up with clarity instead of chaos. Because better nights don't just improve your sleep. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need a small step.